Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add the ads.txt file to your site in Wix. So let's get right into it. Now what the ads.txt file is, it is basically a list of allowed digital sellers, which is exactly what ads stands for, which pretty much is a list which allows certain sellers to sell on your site and show their ads on your site. Now, the way that you can do this on your Wix website is really simple. You should have your ads.txt file ready at hand, and once you have that ready, you can go to your Wix dashboard for your site. I'm at the dashboard for one of my sites right now, and then you need to go into settings. From here, this page will pop up, and you want to go all the way down and click on marketing integrations. Then you want to scroll down again, and at the bottom of this 9-tab sort of array, you can see ads.txt, which you can then click connect on. And as you can see, it is a premium feature to have the ads.txt file, so you should also have a premium subscription. But as you can see, once you have the ads.txt file, then you can add it to your site just by clicking this add ads.txt file button, and then you'll need to select the file from your computer and upload it to Wix. And once that's done, your site will have the ads.txt file, and then your setup is basically complete. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.